Hello children, good morning. Today we will be writing the notes of English Unit 3, The Glorious Whitewasher. So every one of you are open in English classwork. So whatever we are going to write today, you have to write the same thing in the homework twice. Classwork always once and homework twice. Okay children, let's start. Write date and write Unit 3, The Glorious Whitewasher on the pink line. First line spell words. And the first one, fragrance, F-R-A-G-R-A-N-C-E, fragrance, F-R-A, fray, G-R-A, gray, N-C-E-N, fragrance. Okay. The second one, certainly, C-E-R, T-A-I-N-L-E-Y, certainly. C-E-R-T-A-I-N-L-Y, certainly. Okay. Next one. Third one, exchange. Exchange. E-X-C-H-A-N-G-E. Exchange. E-X-C-H-A-N-G-E. Exchange. Fourth one, insisted, I-N-S-I-S-T-E-D, insisted, I-N-S-I-S-T-E-D, insisted. Next one, argument, O-R-G-U-M-E-N-T, argument, O-R-G-U-M-E-N-T, argument. Next one, tempted, T-E-M-P-T-E-D, tempted, T-E-M-P-T-E-D, tempted. Next one, adventures, A-D-V-E-N-T-U-R-E-S, adventures, A-D-V-E-N, ventures, T-U-R-E-S, adventures. Now, eighth one, treasures, T-R-E-A-S-U-R-E-S, treasures, T-R-E-A-S-U-R-E-S, treasures. Ninth one, dreading, D-R-E-A-D-I-N-G, dreading, D-R-E-A-D, dread, I-N-G-ing, dreading. 10th one, pretended, P-R-E-P-T-E-N, tended, D-E-D, pretended, P-R-E-T-E-N-D-E-D, pretended. 11th one, appreciatively, appreciatively, A-P-P-R-E, appreciative, C-I-A-T-I-V-E-L-Y, appreciatively. Next one, twelfth one, canvas, C-A-N-V-A-S, canvas. 13th one, mischievously, M-I-S, miss, C-H-I-E-V-O-U-S-L-Y, mischievously, M-I-S-C-H-I-E, chievously, V-O-U-S-L-Y, mischievously. Next one, 14th one, resumed, R-E-S-U-M-E-D, resumed, R-E S-U-M-E-D, resumed. Next one, 15th one, expectation, E-X-X-P-E-C, pec, T-A-T-I-O-N-S, stations, expectations, E-X-P-E-C-T-A-T-I-O-N-S, expectations. Next one, reluctantly, R-E-L-U-C, relect, T-A-N-T-L-Y, tently, reluctantly, R-E-L-U-C-T-A-N-T-L-Y, reluctantly. Next one, pretended, pretended we finished I think. Sorry. Convinced, C-O-N-V-I-N-C-E-D, convinced, C-O-N-V-I-N-C-E-D, convinced. 18th one, completion, C-O-M-P-L-E-T-I-O-N, completion, C-O-M-P-L-E-T-I-O-N, completion. Next one, foundations, F-O-U-N-D-A-T-I-O-N-S, foundations, F-O-U-N-D, foundations, A-T-I-O-N-S, foundations, F-O-U-N, found, D-A-D-tions, T-I-O-N-S, foundations. Next one, appreciatively, A-P-P-R-E, appreciatively also we finished, right? Why I marked 2-2? Next one comes mocking, M-O-C-K-I-N-G, mocking. Okay children, so these are 20 words. Write once in classwork and twice in the homework. So next comes meanings. Meanings are given in the textbook. Page 31, Roman number 2, meanings. This also once in classwork, twice in the homework. First one, fragrance. What is the meaning of fragrance? A pleasant smell. Fragrance means what? A pleasant smell, a beautiful smell, which we feel very happy after smelling it. Like flowers. Whitewash, W-H-I-T-E, white wash. A thin white paint, a thin white paint, a thin white paint used on walls, fences or foundations. Okay, what is meant by whitewash? A thin white paint used on walls, fences or foundations. Next one, third one, drooped, D-R-O-O-P-E-D, drooped. Drooped is bent down slowly, not slowly, limply. Okay, bent down limply, by saying you will be showing, right? Oh, I don't want to do that work, I'm tired doing this work. So that is known as limply. Fourth one, bluster, B-L-U-S-T-E-R, bluster. Loud and aggressive talk. Loud and aggressive talk with loud and aggressive talk with little effect. Little effect. Fifth one, fetch. F-E-T-C-H. Fetch. To go and bring something back. What is the meaning of fetch? To go and bring something back. Next comes sixth one, dreading. D-R-E-A-D-I-N-G. Dreading. Fearing. Okay, what is meant by dreading? Fearing. Okay, children. Now, seventh one, mimicking. M-I-M-I-C-K-I-N-G. Mimicking. Imitating someone or something. Imitating someone or something. Okay, when we imitate, like parrots are the champions in imitating. They will imitate our voice, whatever we wanted to say. If we say anything, they will immediately copy us and they say. Repeat it. Mischievously. B-O-U-S-L-Y. Mischievously. Showing fondness. Showing fondness for causing trouble in a playful way. What is mischievously? Showing fondness. That means disturbing or distracting someone to trouble someone. See, showing fondness for causing trouble in a playful way. So, when you are writing and the homework and when I am not writing, think that you and me are both are friends. When you are doing your work and I am not doing, even I want you to be distracted from your work and I am mischievously causing you trouble. That is known as mischievousness. Now, ninth one, appreciatively. Appreciatively. Understanding or accepting the worth of something. Okay, what is meant by appreciatively? Understanding or accepting the worth of something, that we are able to understand someone's the hard work. That is known as appreciatively. By giving a compliment that they have done a very good work. Next come 10th one, canvas. Canvas is heavy, strong cloth made of cotton, linen or hemp. Linen or hemp, and is used as a surface, and it is used as a surface for oil painting. So what is meant by canvas? Heavy strong cloth made of cotton, linen or hemp, and it is used as a surface for the oil painting. Now reluctantly, R-E-L-U-C-T-A-N-T-L-Y, reluctantly, unwillingly, U-N-W-I-L-L-I-N-G, unwillingly. Right, only unwillingly, that is enough. Now, first one, jeer. Jeer means a rude or mocking remark. Mocking remark. Okay children, what is meant by jeer? A rude or mocking remark by saying something to someone. Now let's write opposites. Roman number 3. Opposites. Okay. First one, these also once in classwork, twice in the homework. First one, resume. Resuming meaning is continue. So opposite of resume is leave. Resume means doing, continuing something. So opposite of that will be leaving, doing something. We are leaving on that. Next one, pretend. Pretend. Opposite is real. So pretend means enacting, being an actor. Okay, sometimes you guys will do pretend that you did not do something. Opposite of pretend is real. Now next one is mischievously. 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 Well behaved. Mischievously means what I said, causing trouble, and opposite for mischievously is well behaved. Fourth one, reluctantly. Reluctantly is willfully. So opposite of reluctantly is unwillingly, right? Unwillingly doing anything. So here opposite of reluctantly will be willfully. That means on your own wish. Next. Fifth one, convinced. C-O-N-V-I-N-C-E-D, convinced, hold back. Okay, convinced means getting convinced by, if someone is requesting us to do something, getting convinced. So opposite of convinced will be holding back. That means not agreeing but taking time to once again to go through whatever the other person is saying. So we finished our spell words, opposites and meaning children. Okay, let's get back to the other video with question answers and the textbook part.